Today we have a video from Body Cam Network USA, and the title of the video is Woman Caught Stealing $1,500 Worth of Merchandise from Universal Studios.
On July 1st, 2024, an officer with the Orlando Police Department responded to a call from the loss prevention team at Universal Studios regarding a reported retail theft. Loss prevention advised that they observed a woman remove a $5 soda from a store without rendering payment and place it inside a Universal Studios stroller. After monitoring her movements, security personnel approached the woman and escorted her to the loss prevention office for further investigation. During a subsequent search of the woman and her belongings, security discovered over $1,500 worth of unpaid merchandise concealed on her person.
Wow.
Gotcha.
Hello, Claudia.
Good. You call me.
Super
Do you
mom.
have anything on you? No?
Super thief, you mean?
Okay. Keep turning around.
And I'm just about done with the arrest report. I'm waiting. Once he's done with his statement, he emails it to me. I copy and paste, and I'll be done.
Okay.
It'll be submitted. No.
Quieto.
No, entonces si yo puedo hablar, que me avisen como a mi familia.
Cologne's still out there, right?
I think so, yeah.
He can, whatever questions she has.
Okay, yeah.
Is this all hers?
Huh?
According to her, she got those from the hotel.
From the hotel?
Yeah.
But she has her phone can go with her. The rest, where's her family?
Does she have
They're
a...
already gone.
They're already gone. They don't want to come get her stuff out there anymore?
Sí, sí, sí. Un segundo. Sí.
Esa es mi otra cámara. Y la billetera también se pasó.
Baño.
No puedo ir al baño.
Un segundo. Sí.
Baño. Man, that's about the only Spanish word this brother know. What you talking about? Baño. Bathroom. Okay, he tried to, okay. We talking about baño. All right. And he's struggling with them cuffs, ain't he? God damn.
Tag?
Avisar a mi
So this is a blanket?
Yeah,
I mean, she said
Cuffs giving him a run for his money.
¿Dónde está tu familia?
afuera.
Afuera.
the room's come with name tags, but it doesn't have name tags, so she possibly could have paid for the room or possibly the name tag off.
Yeah.
¿De dónde eres? Sí.
Oh, he's speaking that real Spanish. Hold on. He said, "Donde eres? What's your name?" Hold on now. Hold on.
¿Aquí? Ah, okay. ¿Es tú?
Jill won't take this.
Yeah, I think so. So it's just her phone? And then
This will,
that's all her...
that's gonna go to lost and found here.
La billetera con la identificación
Her family can come get
está
it.
ahí. Yo la tenía encima, él la debe haber guardado.
She said her ID is somewhere in there.
Oh, he must be Hispanic.
And then?
Yo creo que él la ha hecho ahí, sí. Y estaba encima de la mesa.
Either he Hispanic or he love Latinas.
La billetera chiquita.
Did you guys still have her ID?
Yeah, okay.
Passport ID.
He's here too, what's up? Thank you.
So
You good?
I'll just let her know that will be at lost and found here.
Yeah.
That her family can come get it.
Okay.
No me van a decir.
Un segundo. Can you guys speak Spanish? You let her know that her stuff is going to be in the lost and found.
Look at my brother right here. Look at the black brother right here, man. He like, damn. He around everybody else. He like, damn. I gotta hit the gym, bro. God damn. You know, look. My boy's self-esteem just went down, boy. He just seen everybody walk out. It looked like the light-skinned brother in the back. He work out. This guy, he definitely work out. And then you see my little man right here, man. God damn, man. I feel bad for little man. Look, he look out of place like a motherfucker.
Él me está explicando que las cosas que usted compró aquí en el parque va a estar en el área de Lost and Found. So, la familia de usted puede ir a Lost and Found y pedir las cosas de usted.
¿Cómo comunicar mi familia? Se me apagó el teléfono.
El celular está muerto.
Se apagó.
She asked if any way we can get her
Pero
phone
ellos
charged because her phone says she keep off.
I have a phone charger.
Ellos lo habían como identificado a mi familia.
So, él explicó ahora mismo que puede poner tu celular en el cargador por ahora, por lo menos porque cuando tú llegues a la cárcel te van a dar el celular para atrás y puedes llamar. Te dan todos los números de ahí, ¿ok? So, como te expliqué, las cosas van a estar Lost and Found. Le explica a tu familia que vengan aquí al parque y vengan aquí y le preguntan por Lost and Found.
¿Y ahora pasa a fiscalía?
Sí.
¿Y cuánto tiempo también?
Depende de los cargos que te van a achacar.
Ay, ya.
Sí.
Me puedo sacar el reloj, me molesta.
See, so he a brother that he like Latinas because he don't know the full Spanish, but he know a little something. Hey, what they in Florida?
See anything in her backpack with her?
See, he know a little something. He know the basic, so you can grab him a Latina or something.
Can you are you still on?
Yeah, I'm
Just,
still on. Yep.
Can you wind your stance? See? I'm gonna take this out your pocket. See?
No entiendo.
No entiendo. Un segundo, ¿sí? Sí.
De mi reloj. Sí, me lo saqué porque me
Sí, entiendo.
me dolía con la...
Oh, okay. I'll need a picture of it. Oh,
What do you have?
I need a picture of
You
it.
just need to take
Oh, picture of her?
your pass. You can put her there. Abre los ojos.
No tengo nada.
Sí.
What I'm going to do, Sabunji, I'm going to have all the paperwork, scan it all, and send it to you in the email. Is that okay? Or do you just want
Dígale que le avisen a mi familia
your
dónde
statement?
voy a estar.
You can just copy that. Paste it. Okay, got you.
Loss prevention further advised officers that the woman's family members were also suspected of being involved in shoplifting activity. However, security personnel stated they were unable to visually confirm or document any theft committed by the additional individuals. Based on the totality of the circumstances and the evidence gathered, officers determined there was probable cause to charge the woman with third-degree theft. According to the police report, the woman is a resident of Chile and was visiting Orlando on vacation at the time of the incident. Due to her non-resident status, the jail initially issued the woman no bond, though this decision was later reviewed and modified. The woman entered a plea of not guilty and remained in the United States for approximately 5 months in hopes of having the case dismissed. On March 7, 2025, the woman failed to appear for her scheduled court date, resulting in her first failure to appear being recorded. As of today, the case remains open and pending further court action. If you enjoy the content we produce, don't...
Wow. That's crazy, man. Why? Like something, this third degree theft? What did they say?
Woman failed to appear for her scheduled court, having the case dismissed. On March 7th, bond, though this decision was due to her non-resident was to charge the woman with third-degree theft.
Now, what the heck is third degree theft? I don't even know what that is. Let me see real quick. I don't even know what that is. Third degree theft. Theft. I didn't even know there was different degrees. They got first degree, second degree, third degree. Okay. Third degree theft, often called grand larceny in the third degree, is generally a felony involving stealing property above a certain value over $3,000. Oh, okay. All right. Okay, so it's the dollar amount. That's what makes it first, second, third degree. Okay. I never even knew there was different degrees for theft. Okay. All right. Cause listen, I don't know everything. Yeah. I only know about this much. So we're learning together. All right. But yeah, she from Chile. She here. Missing her court date, something as petty as this. I mean, she'd get her a decent little lawyer that this will be dropped or reduced to pretty much nothing, and then she'll be able to go back to Chile or whatever. But she ain't even from here, so whatever, it is what it is, man. But overall, I think the officers did a great job, and her shirt says super mom, but really should just be super theft, okay? Because you got sticky fingers. And I don't know what the heck you taking from Universal Studios. What are you taking from Universal Studios? You got, well, like what? Mickey Mouse and stuff? I don't even know what they got there. But ain't it a bunch of kids stuff at Disneyland and Disney World and Universal Studios? Ain't that some kids stuff? So I know adults go there and enjoy it too, but I'm saying ain't it a bunch of cartoons and stuff? Like, so what the heck you stealing? A Mickey Mouse bobblehead or something? Like, I don't understand it, man. But anyway, I get a cop of 5. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officer did. I'm glad you made it till the end of the video. Before you go, if you want early access to YouTube videos before they get let out to the public, please consider becoming a channel member. And if you want exclusive access to videos that will not be on YouTube, please consider becoming a Patreon member, and I'll catch you in the next video. The links are in the description box.